Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a very popular topic, fasting for weight loss. Is it really effective? Is it safe? What are the benefits and drawbacks of fasting? And most importantly, how can you do it right? Fasting is a practice of abstaining from food or drink for a certain period of time, usually for religious, health, or weight loss purposes. There are many types of fasting, such as intermittent fasting, water fasting, juice fasting, dry fasting, and so on. Each type has its own rules, benefits, and risks. Fasting for weight loss is based on the idea that by restricting your calorie intake, you can force your body to burn fat for energy and thus lose weight. Fasting can also have other benefits, such as improving your blood sugar levels, lowering your cholesterol, reducing inflammation, and enhancing your brain function. However, fasting is not a magic bullet for weight loss. It can also have some drawbacks, such as causing hunger, fatigue, headaches, dehydration, muscle loss, and metabolic slowdown. Fasting can also be dangerous if you have certain medical conditions, such as diabetes, kidney disease, or eating disorders. Fasting can also interfere with your hormones, mood, and sleep quality. So how can you fast for weight loss in a safe and effective way? Here are some tips that you should follow. Consult your doctor before starting any fasting regimen, especially if you have any health issues or take any medications. Choose a type of fasting that suits your lifestyle, preferences, and goals. For example, intermittent fasting is a popular and flexible method that involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, such as 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating, or 24 hours of fasting once or twice a week. Drink plenty of water and fluids during your fasting periods to stay hydrated and prevent dehydration. You can also drink black coffee, green tea, or herbal teas as long as they are unsweetened and calorie-free. Eat nutritious and balanced meals during your eating periods to provide your body with the essential nutrients and energy it needs. Avoid junk food, processed food, and sugary drinks, as they can spike your blood sugar and insulin levels and make you gain weight. Listen to your body and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. If you feel unwell, dizzy, or faint, stop fasting and seek medical attention. If you feel hungry, bored, or stressed, find healthy ways to cope, such as meditation, exercise, or hobbies. Be patient and realistic with your weight loss goals. Fasting is not a quick fix, but a long-term lifestyle change. You may not see results overnight, but if you stick to it, you will see progress over time. Fasting for weight loss can be a powerful and effective tool if done correctly and safely. It can help you lose weight, improve your health, and boost your well-being. However, fasting is not for everyone, and it is not the only way to lose weight. You should always consult your doctor before starting any fasting regimen, and follow a healthy and balanced diet and exercise routine. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about fasting for weight loss. Have you tried it? What was your experience? I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.